I tell you, this one on your Wazobia TV if you watch me live. Street Yarns, this one on your XMAS edition. Make you not tell you that. No man, as usual, I tell you, I there for Coste roundabout now for Lagos here. Live, and I tell you, as make I enter street, make I ask so many questions about XMAS. Still on the matter, I there with one bogos here. Half an hour. How you did?
I did 50-50.
I know, say, you there waiting?
50-50.
You there waiting?
50-50.
Okay, there. I tell you, this one on your Wazobia Street Yarns. Okay, make we know what to be your name.
My name is Joseph.
Your name now waiting?
Joseph.
Yes, you say name now Joseph. Street Yarns with Joseph right away. The team is say yes, Joseph. Just what to be your plan? What you want to keep for this XMAS?
Hey, I want to kill dog.
Dog.
Dog and snake.
You be Calabar man?
I be Igbo man, freeborn of Igbo man, but I like snake and dog.
This guy say like snake and dog. This guy don't know at all. Okay, Joseph, you see what he did there?
No.
After I say you want kiss snake and dog. Well, we thank God. Anyone you kiss, somebody like kiss mosquito self. See what you go do for me,
Yeah.
You sabi sing any Christmas carol song?
Christmas carol song. Now time where they small pikin now they sing and but now where I don't old. I don't know whether I feel remember I wish you Merry Christmas.
Think the one you sabi. Just sing even though at the start you sabi.
The one where I know I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Banga.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Banga.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Still on the matter, your Street Yarns. This one Wazobia TV, Street Yarns XMAS edition. We get giveaway prize, and you know that kind of thing. We just the dash out so many things, but we not the dash out, so we not the dash land. We the dash out so many things. So, guy, you get what you go do for me now. You go call this word 5 times. Pararara, pararara, torororo. Pararara, torororo. Call them 5 times very fast.
Pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo, pararara, torororo.
Guy, don't do not get break for math.
Okay.
I saw you be driver.
I manage no. Now senior driver.
Senior driver.
Yes.
Oh yeah, put your here. Just pick one recharge card. See on this one, I cost you Wazobia TV. Cost you Wazobia TV. So we'll just give you the recharge card. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Relax for the XMAS. Call anybody, your family, anyone, both enemies. So your wishes and wisdom when they in the village. Call all of them. Then I say, may they take time. Oh, may they know they worry you. May they know they worry you for the XMAS. Still on the matter. God bless you, Mr. Joseph. All right, okay, how are you doing now?
I did fine.
What will be your name?
Mr. Ben.
Mr. Ben.
Yeah.
Mr. Ben.
That's right.
Ben, tell me only one thing. You get what you go help me do now.
What's in be that?
If you sing XMAS song.
Of course.
Yeah, sing a more.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's right.
One a nice one, but you know say that one and when me say everybody know, everybody they not pass. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Now everybody just know. But still on the matter, you get what you go do now, Christmas. You know the spelling of Christmas?
Of course.
If you spell Christmas,
Yeah.
See what you go do now. The spelling of Christmas, spell and go back.
Spell and go from back, come from.
Go front. Oh yeah, spell it.
SAMTIR.
Yeah, they do it. Oh boy.
Where come on? Back come again.
Come again.
SAMTIRHC. That is Christmas.
That is Christmas.
That's Christmas.
Some tea. Some Christmas.
Some Christmas.
All right, still on the matter. Making up like say the guy tries small. Well. May not like say they lost too much. My guy, your sugar inside here.
Wow.
This one I cost you Wazobia TV or the Street Yarns dash with the give out. We just the dash recharge card. They do this, you know that kind of thing. Forget that man pass so you see I say stretch of your head, not the normal. Now that kind of thing. All right, still on the Street Yarns Wazobia TV. Make you not touch you that. Enjoy your family. Which people you like wish your family? Which people you like wish?
I got a very wish to my wife.
Your wife?
Yeah, my wife means a lot to me. And my daughter.
And your daughter.
They mean a lot to
So
me.
you got married?
Of course, I'm married.
Jesus!
That's right.
Now joke I do. It's almost not married. Now the condition of the country. Still on the matter. Pooh! All right, still on the matter. My guy, how far now?
I did.
Artist now.
I cool.
You sure say you do okay?
At least.
How they do like never chop?
I never chop, but you will help me now.
I go help you. Only so before you chop, we walk out like 1,000 kilometers before you chop.
You won't kill me now.
All right, my brother, what should be your plan for the XMAS?
My plan for the XMAS now to just chill with my people now. Me, myself, chill with my friends, all things like that.
Okay.
Now flexing period now.
Okay, now festive period. So where you want to spend the XMAS?
I would do Lagos.
You do Lagos. Not get money to travel.
We know they travel now. Lagos I did day. So.
You sabi sing any Christmas song?
I don't sabi sing Christmas song because
Don't sabi anyone.
I don't just sabi.
You don't just sabi.
I don't just sabi.
You know what you go do like? You know what you go do for me?
Waiting with that.
Oh yeah, which any other song? You sabi any song?
Like
Apart
which
from
of the
Christmas song?
songs? I don't know the kind of song where you want now. So.
Oh my yeah!
Okay.
Oh my
like,
jingle bell, jingle bell,
like
jingle all the way.
we
You know
wish
something?
you a Merry Christmas.
Why be say everybody now? Everybody now.
We
Everybody.
wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, you see Christmas, eh? Christmas. Spell Christmas back.
Christmas back.
Spell am from the spelling. CHROS. Spell and come back.
Guy, I beg now, no punish me now.
Now Odo you carry today. I dey tell you now Odo you carry today. But earlier I know so. Forget you be Odo. You be Odo. This guy I no fit give him a recharge card. I don't fit give him a recharge card. My guy I no fit give him a recharge card. I
don't go stay here with you now.
Still on the matter. I don't fit give him a recharge card. Our wolf no fit go for this guy. Still. My guy, I go blow your eye. Still on the matter, straight hands, making not touch you die. Now like this, they be. Kilo. I tell you. All right, if they watch me live, we see the shadow still on the street hands. We do our thing, they go. You know how they be? Not touch it. If they touch it, madam, what to be a plan for the XMAS?
I have no plan for it.
You don't get plan? Madam say not get plan. Okay, what to be your plan for the XMAS?
What does this one?
What is your plan for the XMAS? What is your plan for the XMAS?
To serve a living God. To add more, yes, to seek the face of God.
To seek the face of God?
Yeah, yes.
So anywhere God they want to look where the face is?
Yes.
You go shine high.
Yes, because it's only God can do every other thing we are doing.
Not that the way Nigerians they call this God, they not be yo. He say, "One go find God where he dey. We go look for the God. Don't worry, we'll go find the God." Babe, how far now? How you doing?
Fine.
What's your plan for the XMAS?
XMAS. Nothing really.
What's your plan?
Hanging out with my boyfriend. I'm hanging out with my boyfriend.
Hanging out with your boyfriend?
Yeah.
You see, I tell you, say every girl, some girls they hang out. Say one hang out with a boyfriend. He say she won't hang out. Well, hang out well, oh. Hang out well, oh. Hello. Hang out well, oh. Babe, how far? That one they fear. That one don't get boyfriend. She's stranded. She doesn't have a boyfriend for the XMAS. Wale.
Go enter, guy, enter motor.
Guy, enter.
Go.
Enter now. Where you the shadow? Where the shadow? Keja, Maryland, Keja. Hey, my bag don't pay me. Keja, Maryland. Keja, Maryland. Keja, Maryland. Keja, you dey go Keja, be? Keja. What to be a plan for the XMAS?
Now shall 18s now. Now shall 18s they go on. Eh? And Lagos live day now. And Lagos live day. Sure. Confirm. Confirm. Now see.
All right. Madam Alpha. What to be your XMAS? What to be your plan for the XMAS?
We are planning Coco.
Oh, we are planning Coco.
I get my luck for
Yeah. Drew Mumba. My man Alpha. Now you are seeing me Wakako. What to be your plan for the XMAS?
I don't have any plans.
You know the plan anything? Mama, good afternoon. How you the plan for the XMAS? How you the plan for the XMAS?
Anyway, we are planning by the grace of God. We are planning on how the XMAS is going to move well.
Okay.
But with the condition of things these days, it's only by the grace of God.
Only by the grace of God.
Yes.
You not go travel?
I hope to travel.
To where?
I'm going to the east.
East.
Yes.
Specifically.
Yes, east.
Which area for east?
I'm going to Abia State.
Abia State.
Yes.
Oh, Waka. Oh yeah, wish your people or family.
Okay. My people in Abia State and those that are here, I am wishing everybody Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you all.
All right, they say she don't wish them. So many people not be wish you, but she don't wish them. You say one talk. Oh yeah, show now. Show, not a waste time. Come. This thing. We're not a joke with this business. We are here to do things.
Yeah.
So, what will be your plan for the XMAS?
I'm planning for the XMAS to enter good 2015. It's a good news for the whole world.
Okay.
I'm very happy for myself and for my family.
Okay. Oh yeah, wish any of your family happy XMAS.
Happy even of like JP, my friend, and Mishak from Yaba, and many people from Surere, Ojoleba, and Butamita. May God be with them.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
God bless you. All right now. Now like this, we take wrap up for the Street Chance XMAS edition. Make you not touch there. My name is MC Shaggy. Still on the matter. Po. Tuale. Oh my yeah, Tuale. Gbogbo yi Tuale. Happy XMAS. Tuale XMAS. Tuale Jesus. Allah.